PCJ.
I want to thank you for your service. You always have a good attitude and you're cheerful and you're got friends here, so we appreciate that and wish you well, whatever you're going to do. And Brian has a plaque from us for you, and I guess you can put that wherever you want, on the dash of your car, in your office at home.
You can see through it, can't you?
Put a little hole in it, you can make a necklace out of it,
Yeah,
whatever you
a
want.
lot of different options.
Yeah.
But we'll let Brian present that and tell you thanks for your service.
Okay, well, thank you, sir. It's been a pleasure, thank you.
Thank you.
So what, close to 7 years?
Well, yes, close.
Close, yeah. It's been a lot of time, and
That's
sometimes we age in dog years when we're working in corrections, so I don't know what that means for you.
Yeah.
But we appreciate all the time that you put into this place and the experience that you brought with us and the impact that you've made on your team and all of us here. You always have a smile on your face, except for once in a while you don't.
Yeah.
But,
That's true with all of us.
we really appreciate you. So I'm going to give you this plaque here. It says, presented to Rocky Volker in appreciation of your dedication and loyal service to the Pennington County Sheriff's Office, October 31st, 2016 to May 13th, 2022. Sheriff Kevin Cohen, we thank you very much for your service.
You're welcome, thank you.
I just want to say thanks to Rocky, and if you happen to go by my office when Rocky and I were talking, I got a bad reputation because people thought I were yelling at somebody in my office, but it was just because Rocky can't hear me. And so we had a lot of those conversations, and I'm just going to miss him. He's a good hand. He's meant a lot to us and made our day just a lot lighter and a lot more fun. And come back and see us, poke your nose in, and make sure we're still doing it right.
Yeah, I might have to.
You might have to. So, thank you, Rocky.
You bet.
Nikki
Thank
Donnell,
you.
thank you for getting everything set up, so appreciate
And
that.
thank all you guys, you've been a good bunch to work with.
Well, you get to give a big speech if you
Oh,
want.
I get to give a big speech. Well, you know what? I haven't really been here at the jail all that long. I've worked around in the system to get my retirement. But the last few years that I have been here working, I found it very challenging to work here. We all know that, you know. But, you know, I always felt like I rose to the challenge and meant it and accomplish what I could accomplish and feel good about it. And I think all you guys ought to do that too. You know, it's as the day has drawn near now, it gets a little more melancholy as it gets a little more real. So, you know, these guys that I've worked with, I'm proud of every one of them. I'm proud of the men they've become in the maintenance and the things they've accomplished, and, you know, probably take more credit for their accomplishments than I deserve, but you know, I'm happy to have worked with them and got to know them. I'm happy to get to know all you folks. You're quality bunch of people, and thank you.
Thank you.
Get a picture of you, Steve. He's been one of my heroes here.